Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw the new infantry rifle in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're gonna start out right in the middle of the gun, around the top. So we're just gonna draw one line across first. And then we're gonna come down on this side. And here we're gonna come in about halfway, and then just give it a little bit of an angle here, and then just go back. I know it's kind of a strange way of starting out, but this is probably the easiest way to draw this gun. So from this point here, we're just gonna come across until we match up there, and we'll just close that first. Okay, and then in the middle here we can add just a little bit of detail on the top. And then now we're gonna draw in the, where the bulk comes out, where the shell comes out. So we're gonna extend this line back, and then we're gonna go up slightly. And from this point, we're just gonna draw a round shape here. And then we're gonna come across, and it's a little bit complicated, but let's just simplify it, and I'm just gonna draw like a little dip in here. Just come straight across again. Okay, and then from there, right here, we're gonna draw one circle. And I think this is a sight right here, so right on the top, we just draw a rectangle. And to finish off the detail, we just draw a little circle in here. Alright, so that's the top section, and now let's draw in the bottom of this. So on the front here, we're gonna come down. We're gonna slant down, come across, but go slightly higher and make a little point. So this is gonna be slanting down a little bit, and then we're just gonna connect this. Alright, and then right underneath it's gonna be the trigger. So we just come down, just draw like a little box like this. And I'm just gonna give it a little bit of thickness here. And the trigger is gonna be inside here. And then on the front here, we just add a little bit of detail. Just come down and just come in. Alright, so now we can draw the back. And so we're gonna come up here. We're gonna slant down. And then same thing here, around the corner, we're gonna slant down again. So it's gonna be almost straight. And then from here, this one's gonna dip up. This one's gonna go up a little bit higher. And then now we're gonna come all the way back. Straight. And then we can draw this one going back as well. Just flare it out on the back. And then we'll connect that. Should be a little bit slant coming down. And let's just add a little bit of detail. Okay, so that's pretty much the back of the gun. And then now let's draw in the front part. So right here, we're just gonna extend this line here. Go straight across. And then this one's gonna come straight across too, but just kind of have it go up a little bit. So it's gonna be a little bit smaller here. And then we just close that off. And let's add in the details later. Let's just go ahead and finish up the barrel as well. So we're gonna come up here. We're gonna add one section. And then we're gonna extend this out. So this is gonna be the barrel. Come straight out, and it's gonna be a little bit thicker on the tip here. So it's a little bit cartoony. So close it over a slant. And then right here on the bottom, there's gonna be another rod coming out, and it's gonna be a little bit thinner. So just come right underneath, close that. And then we're gonna connect this just with two lines. So this is all gonna be kind of one piece. Okay, and then to finish off the guess the sight on the front here, we just go up, and on this one we'll slant and then just close it off. Alright, and then for some details here, draw one line, and then on this side here we can draw another line, and if you like, actually right here we can draw another line here just for some extra detail. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the gun. And if you want to put in the strap, I think it actually looks good like this without the strap, but if you want to put in the strap here, it's pretty easy. We're gonna come over here, just draw two lines and just close it off, just round it off. And then on the back here, same thing, just kind of draw out a little slant and just round that off. And then we're just gonna draw one curve pretty much connecting it. So one big curve. Could be a little bit tricky, but just make sure you connect that. And then from there, we're just gonna give it a little bit of thickness. So this is only if you want to put in this strap. And then once you have the strap, let's add a little bit of detail here. One bump, maybe like a smaller bump here. And then here, let's add a little bit of detail. Should be a little bit thicker. And then one little, I guess, a loose end for the strap. And that is it for this very cool rifle in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.